Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into the world of accounting certifications, the credentials that can elevate your career, boost your expertise, and help you stand out in a competitive industry. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance, understanding the right certifications can make all the difference. Connect with me on LinkedIn for more insights into professional development. Let's get started by taking a look at what we'll cover in today's session. Here's an overview of our journey today. We'll begin with an introduction to the value of accounting certifications, then explore some of the most impactful credentials: CPA, CMA, and CIA. We'll also touch on other notable options, review the strategic benefits and latest trends in the industry, and wrap up with key takeaways that can guide your next steps. Ready to see why certifications matter so much in accounting? Let's move right into our introduction. In today's fast-paced and highly competitive accounting environment, professional certifications have become crucial for anyone seeking career growth or greater credibility. These aren't just badges of honor. They validate your expertise, demonstrate your commitment to ethics, and show you're dedicated to continuous learning. Certifications have become essential differentiators, whether you work in public accounting, finance, auditing, or advisory functions. Understanding your main options is essential to mapping out a successful and fulfilling career path. With that context, let's explore the core certifications that lead to success in the field. Let's break down 3 of the most significant credentials an accounting professional can pursue. First up is the CIA credential, or Certified Internal Auditor. This is a must-have for professionals in internal audit, risk, or compliance, and it focuses on controls and process assessment, helping organizations achieve sound financial oversight. Next is the CMA, Certified Management Accountant. This credential is geared toward those focused on management accounting and financial analysis. CMAs excel in budgeting, planning, and supporting strategic business decisions, especially in corporate and industrial environments. And last, but certainly not least, is the well-known CPA, or Certified Public Accountant. Globally recognized and often a requirement for public accounting in the U.S., the CPA covers everything from accounting and audit to business concepts and ethics. It's a passport to roles in leadership, audit, and financial reporting. Now let's zoom in on the CPA, since it's often seen as the gold standard for the accounting profession. The CPA, or Certified Public Accountant, is one of the most respected designations in accounting, and for good reason. To qualify, you need to meet strict educational requirements, pass a challenging 4-part exam, and gain relevant work experience. But earning and maintaining this license isn't a one-time effort. Ongoing education and adherence to high ethical standards are part of the package. The benefits are substantial. CPAs have access to greater earning potential, more leadership roles, and increased flexibility, whether with established firms or as entrepreneurs starting their own practices. More than that, the CPA demonstrates global competence and opens doors to senior roles in audit, tax, and financial reporting. It's an internationally recognized benchmark of accounting expertise. As we've seen, the CPA is foundational. Let's now shift our focus to the CMA, which integrates finance, accounting, and strategy. The CMA, or Certified Management Accountant, is for those looking to combine their financial expertise with strategic insight, helping organizations make better business decisions. A CMA certification amplifies your ability to drive agile business planning and deliver actionable insights. Employers increasingly value these skills, looking for leaders who can guide both finance and operations. Career-wise, the CMA opens doors to positions like finance manager, controller, or even CFO, roles that demand not only technical skills, but also the readiness to take on greater responsibility and lead cross-functional teams. To become a CMA, candidates must have a bachelor's degree, at least 2 years of professional experience, and must pass a rigorous exam focused on financial management, planning, and risk analysis. CMAs are especially in demand in multinational companies and manufacturing sectors, where their ability to support decision-making and cost control sets them apart. Let's keep moving by exploring a certification that's all about control, assurance, and risk management, the CIA. The Certified Internal Auditor, or CIA, is the global standard for professionals who specialize in internal audit, governance, and risk management. This credential covers core areas like auditing standards and governance, and requires passing a rigorous three-part exam, professional experience, and strict adherence to ethical principles. Career paths for CIAs are broad. They work across government agencies, corporations, and consulting firms in roles such as risk analysts, audit managers, and compliance officers. They are the experts in making sure organizations are running effectively and staying protected against financial risks. Strategically, the CIA signals your expertise in identifying weaknesses, enforcing controls, and developing strategies for sustainable organizational performance. Of course, there are many other powerful certifications available. Let's take a quick look at some specialized options beyond the big three. Accounting is a diverse field, and there are specialized credentials for those who want to build expertise in high-demand areas like fraud prevention, taxation, or data. The Enrolled Agent, or EA, offered by the IRS, certifies tax expertise and representation rights, making it a top pick for professionals tackling tax compliance and planning. The Certified Fraud Examiner, or CFE, is for those focused on detecting and preventing fraud, conducting audits, and helping organizations prevent loss. This is especially valued by audit and assurance teams. With the rise of big data, specialized certifications in data analytics now help accountants analyze large datasets and perform forensic investigations, tackling complex risks in today's digital finance world. And finally, forensic accounting credentials prepare professionals for opportunities in litigation support and fraud analysis, skills crucial for resolving complex disputes and investigations. Now that we've covered the range of certifications, let's take a step back and look at the big picture, the strategic value and trends shaping this space. To visualize the strategic value of certifications, it's helpful to use a SWOT analysis, looking at strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Certifications offer clear strengths. They boost job mobility and make you more marketable to employers and clients, demonstrating your expertise. Opportunities abound as well. There's a growing global demand for specialized certifications, and remote learning technology has made obtaining these credentials more accessible than ever. Of course, challenges exist. Holding advanced credentials requires continuous learning to keep up with new standards, and regulatory changes may mean new exams or requirements. Plus, as more professionals become credentialed, competition also heats up. But recognized credentials foster adaptability and resilience, ensuring you can pivot as the industry evolves. Let's wrap things up by emphasizing the strategic importance of your certification choices. In summary, making strategic decisions about your certifications is at the heart of standing out and advancing in the accounting profession. By blending core qualifications with specialized credentials, you ensure flexibility, marketability, and real leadership potential in this dynamic field. Thank you for joining me. As you map out your career in accounting, remember, the right certification can be your gateway to growth, leadership, and long-term success.